Let's talk about the different types of environments. The developer environment is the one that you currently have access to. You have access to all the tools to build your application and test it out. However, you have limitations in the amount of space available. You cannot use this account as a production environment. You would have to purchase licenses from Salesforce to get access to production and sandbox environments. In real time, the end users of the application would be using the production. Whenever there's a requirement to build new functionality, you wouldn't want to disturb the users by building the new functionality in production. Instead, you can use a sandbox. Sandboxes give you the ability to create multiple copies of your organization in separate environments for a variety of purposes, such as development, training, testing, and deployments. When you create a sandbox, Salesforce automatically copies your data from production to a sandbox. You can use it for development. Once the development is complete, move the metadata to another sandbox for QA, and then move it to production. There are different kinds of sandboxes: developer, developer pro, partial copy, and full copy. A developer sandbox can be used for coding or testing. Developer Pro sandbox can also be used for coding and testing, but have larger storage limit than developer sandboxes have, which allows for more robust test datasets. Partial copy sandboxes are mostly used as testing environments. These environments can be used for quality assurance tasks such as integration testing and training. They can have a subset of your production data. Full copy sandboxes are intended to be used as testing environments. These environments are the only ones that can support full performance testing and load testing. These environments are a replica of your production org, including all data. Based on your business requirements, you can purchase licenses for your sandboxes. This table shows the limitations for different kinds of sandboxes. A developer sandbox can be refreshed every day and has 200 MB of data and file storage limits. Since it has a small storage limit, it is mainly used to copy metadata. A developer pro sandbox, however, can be refreshed every day and has a higher storage limit of 1 GB. You can only copy metadata here as well. A partial copy sandbox can be refreshed every 5 days and has a storage limit of 1 GB. You can copy metadata and object data, which are your records. Full copy sandbox can be refreshed every 29 days. The storage limit is same as the production instance, and you can copy the entire metadata and object data from production. In the next lecture, let's talk about deployments.